Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously let's open up settings, scroll down to additional settings, then backup and reset, and choose erase all data factory reset. And here you'll have a couple different ways of doing it, or a couple different things you can reset. So we have networks, system settings, downloaded apps, but the option that interests us is the last one right here, erase all data. Click on it, it will give you a really quick message right here, and this will erase all data. And then again, are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. And now it would be nice if this would describe what all data means to some people that might not know. So all data means that all pictures, videos, music, photos, applications, documents, anything that you have basically put on the device after you completed the setup will be completely gone. So if there's anything that you would like to keep of those sorts, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you might not want to, tap on erase data and the process will now begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.